This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Ford Escape Hybrid. First, locate the 12-volt battery jump-start terminals, which are typically found under the hood, even if the main battery is in the trunk. Next, ensure both vehicles are completely off in park and have their parking brakes engaged. Always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate eye protection and gloves before you begin. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Take one end of the red positive cable and securely clamp it onto the positive terminal of your Ford Escape Hybrid's dead 12-volt battery or the designated positive jump point under the hood. Then, take the other end of the red positive cable and connect it firmly to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Double-check that both connections are tight. Next, we'll handle the negative connections. Connect one end of the black negative cable to the negative terminal of the good, working battery. For the other end, find a clean, unpainted metal surface on your Ford Escape Hybrid's engine block or chassis, away from the battery itself. Securely attach the black negative cable there. It's important not to connect this cable directly to the dead hybrid battery's negative terminal. With all cables connected, start the engine of the good vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes to allow some charge to transfer. After this, try to start your Ford Escape Hybrid. Once it starts, keep both vehicles running for a few more minutes. Finally, disconnect the cables in the reverse order of connection. Remove the negative cables first, then the positive cables, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.